Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best tool boxes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Tool Box. The Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Tool Box is a 16 inches storage case to hold most hand tools. It includes an additional organizer with adjustable compartments and a built-in ruler. This tool tote is lockable so you can protect your gear with. Designed for organization and safety, this hardware storage is portable and long-lasting. About Beyond by BLACK+DECKER. Beyond by BLACK+DECKER curates tools for the DIY and home improvement enthusiast. At number 4. Plano 452006 Grab. The latch wouldn't hold well and one day I pulled it out too quickly and everything went flying about. Grr. It dawned on me that I could get a new toolbox. I researched Amazon and liked the looks of this one. What an improvement. It is sturdy and has a great feature on top that holds all the bits and pieces in an organized manner. It is plenty big and holds all of my tools easily. I just feel happy every time I go for the tools to have something so nice. At number 3. Stalwart 75MJ5051B Contractor Grade Tool Box. The ability to keep tools organized depends on the type of box you have. The Stalwart Contractor Grade Box stores and care for tools. Amazingly, with cantilever design, it ensures retrieving tools is simple and efficient. The fully opening design is fantastic and helps in precise access to internal storage. With a clear top tray, the box is ideal for allowing the user to view inside. Mainly, it becomes simple to enjoy super easy access to the top tiers. The removable trays are excellent in ensuring top compartments are amazing. Additionally, the top tier has support legs. At number 2. Big Red Torin ATB 122R 18 inches Cantilever style. The Torin Big Red ATB 122R 18 inches Cantilever style portable steel tool box measures 18.4 L by 9.1 W by 9.9 H and weighs 9.45 pounds, allowing you to store tools at your home, workshop, garage, car, or job site. It also makes for an ideal accessory for the professional mechanic. Lightweight design allows you to transport the toolbox with ease. It's equipped with 5 storage trays for easy access tools. At number 1. Talwart Heavy Duty Rolling Toolbox. The Stalwart Rolling Toolbox is revolutionary and handy for demanding jobs. It's a box that every technician, mechanic, and other users need for daily jobs. Whether carrying a large number of tools, it is easy to move since it comes with caster wheels. They are designed to offer smooth rolling as well as high convenience. Built with plenty of storage room, it has 24 compartments. They are great since the user enjoys organized and easy access. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.